No, nokuza abantu bathi wena Ike, if umuntu angaphumi eSoweto or eKasi ipari kuwe, no, ipari ziyazazi ukuthi nje yabona no la sekunabantu abanomlomo. Thina amajita aseKasi mfethu sikhula sidlala idiski sibamba abo straps yabona kudlala amadayisi abone eKasi kumele wenze something ila untswembu ngeJewish ukwazi ukujiva untswembu ngabantwana speak and for stan or isiphakami or uyaspina spinela ingam la yibo ubutlefa lobo survival skills and ngeke uthole in the main umjita waseKasi uzobathi ucishe uthikini you killed a woman because you know she cheated on you. Siyavaya, we are ready for those things. Ilaba bomazweni nalezi esingana style abesihlala endlini babathi hey kibabo Ike hloko strateni batla unematha so but in the main ngeke bafethu ngeke thina sikhula dlala idiski yabona modlala idiski uyabona ukuthi yazini hayi man human behavior is like this. You can anticipate the next move and you can tell when you're no longer wanted. You position yourself as a man and we know the behavior of women. Uzobathi Ike he hates women. No, bafethu. You see, women are not good people. As we were told growing up with the princess Cinderella, no, women are not good people. Women, they've always been evil throughout history. You look at the history of Adam and Eve. You look at Samson and Delilah, with Jezebel. Women are always forced to behave according to societal norms. If you leave them to their own devices, they will show you flames, Baba. Women, it's either you've got the monopoly of violence, law, religion, culture, economy, and then they will behave if they are at the receiving end. But once you leave them, you don't have the Bible, the Quran, whatever books that you can use against them to force compliance. If you don't have finances to sanction them if they misbehave, you don't have the power over them, you're fucked, Baba. You checked. 70 to 80% of divorces are initiated by women. Initiated by women, Baba, because they're independent. Tina, as guys, when we acquire money, we want to see our families happy. Even if we are unhappy ourselves, we do things because we understand the God's purpose, divine mission. You know, God entrusted us. Women, it's all about my happiness, temporary happiness, mood, feeling. They always, want drama. If there's peace, they will bring, it is order. They want to fix something. They want to conquer something. They want to survive. They want to survive something. My husband was abusive. This, he used to do that, because they've got toxic friends. They want to go and relate their story. If when you give them peace, they've got nothing to relate because they want to fix. They want to overcome. Look at King Kong and the beautiful woman, Beauty and the Beast. They wanted drama. Where there is peace, they wanted disorder. You'll never understand these pieces. If you try to be good, they will mess you up, Baba. They will mess you up. They will mess you up. So, Tina Amachita, we understand that. And black women are worse. They encourage nonsense. Even if a woman can kill a man, but it must have been him. He did something to her. They encourage slutty behavior because they live vicariously through the sluts. It's a whole culture, whole face. If you leave them, even in Muslim countries, where the consequences are harsh, they still misbehave. If you leave them on their own, women are like children. That's why we have to use something, the law. You check Jewish people. There are sanctions if they misbehave, including imprisonment in other cultures. Muslim. That's why God told Moses, bulala laba banye bama body count, virgin. At least these ones, they're not being tampered with. But laba banye, the body count is high now. When was the last time you saw a wedding? And feminists, they keep on imposing. Men must accept this. Men keep on rejecting. But no, Tina, we know what we want. The marriage rate has declined. Women, they come after a long time when they are over 40. Man, there's a good guy. Now, they haven't retired. It's because they are running out of options. They always listen to their friends. I mean, I always say with black women, listen to Nigerian pastors who are fucking them. They listen to Izangoma who are fucking them. If your wife, you're by Sangoma, by Omul, they listen to a white boss, male boss, you know. If you are peaceful, and money won't save you. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, the Bill Gates, whether you are a rotten child, you are not saved, Baba. These guys, they like, confusion. If you give them peace, you phone on time, you reply, they'll take you for a fool. Because you are always available, your phone doesn't have scandals, we are just peaceful. Those are women for you. They will fuck you up. Women are not good people. We force them by culture. So you remove all of this, like in South Africa. You remove culture. You give them liberty. They will show you flames, Baba. They will show you flames. Yeah, it's a whole face. The whole face. All these things that are not palatable to a good society. Society functioned better when men were in control. They build things. Men go out there. It's not about my happiness, temporary happiness. Men, they serve their families, even if they are not happy, even if intimacy has disappeared. Not women. Women, they will make a permanent decision over a temporary situation and then regret later. Regret later. How many women who are divorced who are now side chicks? Women, they will divorce a good man and go become a side chick to a married man. Be hammered left and right. Be conquered. Train smashed. And then they see the light. Do you have to be train smashed first before you see the light? And they never really, really retire. It's all about, personal gratification in the now. Mood now. That's why we have to rescue women from themselves, against themselves, and their toxic friends. And your woman, if she's got toxic friends, women are not good people. In nature, they are not good people. You have to force them. That's what Ike, he hates women. No. You have to use the law. They want to, in fact, whole face. They want to be prostitutes. Use finances. Use, culture, religion. If you leave them, yeah. Tina, as a guy, I can see Beyonce. If I've got a woman, maybe I make a mistake once I fuck Beyonce, but I go back. I won't make a decision which I'm leaving my woman because I've seen a Beyonce, who she's what. Bona, they will sleep with a Godzilla. Thinking that they can change. A bad wolf. That's why good men, they finish last. That's why good men finish last. Mena, I do better when I'm Ike, pushing the bad wolf. Whenever I try to change to be the good guy, Baba, there's little rewards. Those are women for you. Those are women for you. But anyway, it's in Hambe.